So in this video, we'll be analyzing this question. A 45-kilogram person steps on a scale in an elevator. The scale reads 460 newtons. What is the magnitude of the acceleration of the elevator? So this question can be a little confusing for a variety of factors. But the first place your head should be headed towards is, formula, force equals mass times acceleration. Well, we need to find weight of this individual in order to go ahead and be able to find the magnitude of the acceleration of the elevator. So we know that weight equals mass times g. And luckily for us, we know g, which is 9.81. We also know mass. And mass is actually 45 kilograms. And again, in this case, you don't need conversion, but if you were converting to grams, this would be 45,000. So now, with this, we can already plug this into weight and figure out weight. So you can say that weight is given. It is just 9.81 times 45 kg. Let's go ahead and plug this into a calculator. Times 45. And this should be, well, about 441 kg. That should be the weight. So let's see. When you subtract, well, here's the other thing though. In order to find acceleration, what we can do is now we come back to our original formula and we can find net force. Just for example, if we draw this in there it is. If we draw this as a free body diagram, you know that weight is pushing down, and we can actually go ahead and find net force of these two forces by subtracting 460, because our scale gives us this already. That's net force. We subtract it, and now you get 19. So why is this important? Well, this is our net force, and we know this because again, we are already given our net force. It's 460. Well, we know that weight makes up a good chunk of that. So the resultant would be the 19. So how does that help us out? Well, you would take 19 and you would plug it into that formula because we know our force. We know 19, and now we also know mass. Remember, mass is 45. And now we're looking for acceleration. So how would you go ahead and simplify? Well, you would divide by 45. Let's cancel out. Now you divide this by 45. 19 divided by 45 gives us 0.42 repeating. So hence, that's your answer. Hope this video helped. Thanks, guys.